Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell, I'm very excited because today we're going to be reviewing a brand new product that just dropped. It actually dropped yesterday. I was at work. I came down today. I picked it up first thing, and actually I think they only had like 6 bottles left. So I was lucky enough to actually get one, and today, actually just a few hours after I picked up that bottle, they sold out completely. So I'm super excited. So I ended up spending about $80 just to get some extra stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right now. So here we are, the guys at Detail Garage in Fresno hooked it up. They helped me out. So the first thing I got was the applicator pad. It's 2 set right here, as well as some clay bar lubricant and the clay bar itself, the OG clay bar, and just a handy brush that I actually needed for the interior, but that's not for today's video. But the main reason why you clicked on this video, we have the Hydro Slick ceramic coating HYPERWAX. I am super excited. Again, this is a brand new product and I can't wait to actually go ahead and put it on the daily because this is the car I use the most. Again, it is the daily, so this one needs to be taken care of first. Okay guys, so first things first, starting off with the directions before we even get started. We have always apply to a cool, clean, dry surface out of direct sunlight. Shake well. Start off by washing the entire vehicle with your favorite Chemical Guys shampoo. For best results, clay surface before application. Polish away scratches if needed. Squeeze 4 to 5 dots on the Hyper Slick onto a premium microfiber applicator pad. Spread Hyper Slick over all exterior painted surfaces in a thin, even coat. Hyper Slick can be removed in as little as 30 seconds. However, we recommend allowing 1 to 2 minutes. Buff off with a clean microfiber towel to reveal an intense pristine shine. After Hydro Slick treatment is applied, it is ideal to keep it out of elements, dry clean for 2 to 3 hours for ultimate protection and shine. Layer Hydro Slick as desired depending on the climate. The hydro, I don't really know how to say that word, hydrophobic I think, effects will continue to improve even more after 12 hours of being applied. So basically, again, the first thing we're going to do is come and go ahead and wash it, and once we're actually applied, we're actually going to go ahead and apply it in the garage, which would be out of direct sunlight. But we're going to go ahead and do a 2-bucket car wash. I have the bucket with just the blue. Blue is always just the water, and then I have my bucket right here that I'm going to go ahead and put some soap in. Okay, like the direction said, it can be any Chemical Guys shampoo. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the auto wash as well as throw on some Mr. Pink just to get it nice and clean. And as far as buffing, I'm probably going to go ahead and use the vertical swirl remover as well as probably the V36, one of the favorites. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and apply these after I do the clay bar and whatnot. I'm not going to go ahead and bore you with all that. I'll probably just do a little bit of speed clips to get to the point to where we actually go ahead and apply the Hydro Slick, which I'm very excited to go ahead and try that out. Alright guys, so for the wheels, I'm actually just using the Eco All-Purpose Cleaner and then the Ultimate Wheel Cleaner as well as the undercarriage spray from Bosch. So I don't only do Chemical Guys, I also do other detailing companies, so go ahead and subscribe if you guys would like to see more. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and actually use any of their Bosch products, go ahead and save yourself a little percentage off on the discount code in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and finish washing this daily. Alright guys, so now that she's all cleaned up, as you guys can go ahead and see, for the sake of the video, because I love you guys, we're going to go ahead and actually just do half the car now with the clay bar and then doing the scratch roll remover with the V36. We're going to go ahead and only do half the car. Okay guys, so now that the car is all cleaned up, as you guys can go ahead and see and tell, I'm going to go ahead and only do half the car. Half the car I'm going to go ahead and do again the clay bar with the V36 with the scratch and swirl remover, and then applying the new Hydro Slick onto this one side. And then we're going to go ahead and allow it to cure in, and tomorrow, because it's actually getting dark, we're going to go ahead and again allow it to cure in, and then we're going to go ahead and pull it out tomorrow. Then we're going to go ahead and be able to actually go ahead and show you guys the side-by-side difference. Okay guys, so now we're going to go ahead and actually get that clay bar and actually get to work right here on this side. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and speed the process up. I do not want to bore you guys. I know you guys are here for one purpose only, and to go ahead and actually see the honest review on this Hydro Slick. Alright guys, so the Hydro Slick can actually be applied to more than just the paint. You can actually go ahead and apply it to the glass, so that's what we're actually going to go ahead and do, as well as just doing half the hood. We're going to go ahead and do actually half the window as well to show you guys the difference on the glass as well as the paint.
I don't call them back, girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder.
Alright guys, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and use the scratch and swirl remover. I already have a couple dots on here. Again, we're just doing this little section. It's just kind of squirted out a little bit extra. But we're just gonna be doing this little section right here, so let's get it done.
You can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Alright guys, and now that's all good and go. We're gonna go ahead and actually hit it with the V36 optic grade cutting polish. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply the ceramic right after. Alright guys, so I'm not sure how well the camera's picking it up, but this is the side we did, as you guys saw, and this side we haven't done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of, yeah, this side's nice and dry, and this side's nice and baby smooth. This feels amazing, so I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and actually get to the part that we all been waiting for. Not only you guys, but I have been dying and waiting to go ahead and apply it. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this right now. I have the applicator pad over there, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead, again, we're just doing this little section, so we're not gonna apply too much. We're probably just gonna apply probably good 3 dots. And we're gonna go ahead and again, and just do this little section. I cannot wait to see the difference tomorrow. Just go ahead and just tap it around, spread it out a little bit as best as you can. Alright guys, and very minimal, you just go ahead and spread it, a nice even coat. Alright guys, so the main thing with this, again, is making sure it's nice and even all across. I'm just doing this side by side. That way I can make sure I get the best evenness as possible. Alright guys, so per instructions, we're gonna go ahead and wait about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and just see how it looks right now. But again, tomorrow, I'm gonna let it cure in, so I'll get back to you guys tomorrow after that. To the paint, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and actually hit that window like I was saying. Again, you can go ahead and apply it to glass as well. Alright guys, so it's been the full 2 minutes, and again I have a brand new clean microfiber towel right out of the bag, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the excess. Can't wait to see it. Alright guys, so remember it says to actually buff it off, so we actually have to kind of actually put a little bit of muscle behind it to actually go ahead and wipe off any residue. Alright guys, so now it's all cleaned up. You can go ahead and actually kind of see the difference right now. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera right here with the low lighting. But again, we're going to go ahead and wait until tomorrow so we can go ahead and pull it out in the garage when the sun's out and go ahead and show you the difference with the water running as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and wait until the sun pops up so we can go ahead and show you. Alright guys, so it's the next day. It's about 2 o'clock, so it's been quite a few hours. Not exactly 24, but give or take 20. So we're gonna go ahead and actually spray down the water and see how the reaction is different. Again, this side is done and has a ceramic on it, and then the other side does not. So let's go ahead and try it out. Alright guys, as you guys can go ahead and actually see the left side of the windshield, it wasn't done, and you can actually still see those streaks that the wipers left. But if you look on the right side, they're all gone. It actually looks really great. I was actually surprised that I took all those away. But then we can go ahead and look on this right side right here where the paint is, and you can actually go ahead and see the difference as well. So incredibly different. I'm actually really surprised. Again, this is an entirely new product, and I'm really excited and really happy that I'm using it. Alright guys, so without further ado, I am super excited. And again, I am super happy about this product. It is amazing. And you know what? For the price of $40 and the results it's actually leaving on the car, again, it's only been about 20 hours left on there, so it's supposed to keep getting better as time goes by. And again, don't try to compare it to the $1,000 or the $500 to $1,000 you do on an actual ceramic coating. This is something that's $40 and you can do it yourself. You don't actually have to go ahead and have someone professionally do it, and it's not gonna take an entire day basically. This actually is like probably a quarter of the time that would take. Now, although it is recommended to actually do the cut and polish and doing all the swirl removers and doing all that stuff, you don't actually have to do that. You can actually go ahead and look at their Instagram page, the Chemical Guy's actual Instagram page, and they actually went ahead and just threw it on a car without doing any prep work at all after they washed it, obviously. But that was the only prep work they used, and it looked amazing. So without further ado, again, I highly recommend this product. It was $40. I'm gonna continue to use it. I'm gonna continue doing all my cars with it. So without further ado, it's supposed to last a year. So let's go ahead and see. Subscribe to find out. I'm gonna go ahead and actually probably do a month review after having it on the car, see the reaction to it, as well as probably do a year later on. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. I would really greatly appreciate it. I do a lot of review videos as well as I do some other project stuff as well. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.